Welcome to the in front of me T-MOBILE Revvl 6, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the settings application, the Play Store application. And then here in the search bar we should enter Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing. After that, tap here to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close, tap to OK, and here we can see information about our battery temperature. This is 30 and 2 degrees in my case. Also we can find here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, Android version, model of our device, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.